12 to get rid of the annoying pop-ups and viruses in your browser. Okay, the next one comes from Music Lover 12 from X. I'm getting tons of annoying virus pop-ups and ads in my browser. Wow, there's a couple things that we can do for that one, Music Lover 12. To get rid of the annoying pop-ups and viruses in your browser, there's a couple tools that you can download. The first one is Malwarebytes. It's a tool that I use for the past 25, 30 years. The current version now asks to subscribe, so be careful with it. You do not need to subscribe to it, at least when I last checked. You do not need to subscribe to actually run the scan and to actually remove PUP, potentially unwanted programs. These are where a lot of those pop-ups come from. If today cleared up even one headache, a weird pop-up, an AI worry, or a stubborn printer, you're already ahead. Write down the one fix or idea that helped most and try it before the week's out. If you found this useful and informative, please share it with someone who could use a little help making their tech life a little easier.